Sunshine through the rain and the snow. There's an oily brown Bilgewater baptism waiting below. That's just the way you stand against the topside sound. Don't let the ever-rolling motion go and get you down. Don't let it shake your steady thread-cutting hand. Keep stealing ribbons from the steel and giving hell to every value you can. That the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and the road always died, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every coming night. And I wake up the weight of any pressure that was ever mine. Be ready when the straw boss comes. He's got an envelope and gonna pick one and on. Don't let his condescension get you down. Just have the strength to know you're wrong, and when you're right, the strength to stand your ground. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and our road always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. And we break under the weight of any pain that ever came in this life. Bamford.
Hey guys, we're here at the Riker Sound with James. James, how did it feel performing Bilgewater?
Bilgewater was really fun to perform on stage.
Yeah.
Very exciting environment doing it.
Yeah. And how did it feel up there when people were listening to your music or to your cover of the song?
Well, mainly I was satisfied I didn't mess up at all.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like how many years have you been playing music?
Playing music in general. I've been playing piano for 8 years at this point, but this is like my 3rd month on guitar, so
yeah,
it's a funny environment.
And how different is it? What's the difference between playing the guitar and playing the piano?
Actually, a lot of differences.
Yeah.
Mainly, like if you know music theory at all, piano is more associated with like the alphabet, A through G and whatnot.
Oh, okay.
Whereas guitar is a lot more based on space. So I find it's a lot easier to improvise on guitar.
Oh, okay.
And play simple songs like that.
Yeah. And how have the instructors? Who do you work with here at the center?
I'm currently working with Evan Ryder, who played bass during that song.
Yeah.
On guitar, and Bennett Rothwell on piano.
And how are they helping you become a better musician?
Well, they're teaching me for one thing.
Yeah.
Very supportive and
Yeah.
whatever I want to do. They're very flexible in regards to the course I want to take with my lessons and whatnot.
Yeah. Have you taken any other classes or other music lessons outside of the Riker Center before?
Yeah, Still taking classical piano lessons from an individual teacher.
Okay.
That I've been for 8 years.
And how different is it from being in an individual environment to being here at the Riker Center?
I mean, the sense is with it, it's just a one-on-one with the teacher out of the way.
Yeah.
There's actually not a whole lot of difference. These recitals are definitely a lot more interesting now.
Yeah. Okay, well there you have it, guys. James, good job, man.